Okay. So here, what is given here in this problem? 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity. Then prove that 2 minus omega, 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega power 10, 2 minus omega power 11 is equals to 49. Okay. So here, first, before going to that, try to find out the values omega power 10. Okay. So omega power 10 is nothing but omega power 9 into omega. This is equals to omega cube whole cube into omega. Omega power 3 is 1. So 1 cube into omega, that is nothing but omega. Okay. It is omega. Okay. So next omega power 11. Omega power 11. Omega power 11 is equals to omega power 9 into omega power 2. Omega power 9, all just now we discussed omega cube whole cube into omega square. Okay, so that means 1 cube into omega square, the value is omega square. Value is omega square. Since it is given that, okay, so 1 omega omega square are cube roots of unity. Okay, so then formula 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. This is the formula, okay, when 1 omega omega square are cube roots of unity and omega cube is equals to 1. We are going to use these two formulae. So now take the LHS part. Now taking the LHS. So what is LHS? LHS is equals to 2 minus omega, 2 minus omega square. Okay, so 2 minus omega power 10. Next 2 minus omega power 11. Now this is equals to 2 minus omega is as it is, 2 minus omega square as it is, 2 minus omega power 10. Omega power 10 is omega. So right here, just now we did omega power 11 value is omega square. So right here 2 minus omega power 11. Okay. So now once observe here 2 minus omega same and 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega square. Repeatedly we got so 2 minus omega and 2 minus omega square. Okay. So we are getting double time. So multiplication whole square, whole square. Okay. So now multiply inside. How do you multiply? Okay. So 2 minus omega, 2 into 2, 2 into omega square. Next minus omega into 2, minus omega into omega square. If you multiply 2 to the 4 and my plus and minus minus 2 into omega square minus omega into 2 minus 2 omega, okay, minus into minus plus omega into omega square omega cube. Now this is equals to 4 minus 2 I am taking common omega square plus omega cube value is 1. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 minus 2 into omega square plus omega. From here omega square plus omega is equals to, take this plus 1 to that side, it is minus 1. It is minus 1. So 5 minus into minus plus 2, 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. And observe carefully, we have whole square. We have whole square. So now write the square, whole square here and whole square here. Okay, and whole square here. Just simplified inside till now. Okay, outside we have whole square, outside we have whole square. So that is nothing but 7 square is equals to 49, which is equal to RHS, which is equal to RHS. Okay, so therefore what is the answer, required answer? Hence it is proved. Okay, so whatever it is given, so the value is equal to 49, so hence proved. Okay, right. Okay, so next we'll go to next question. So if 1 omega omega square are cube roots of unity, show that 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6 is equals to 128, that is equals to 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7. Okay. So now take the first part. Okay. If we take the first part, 1 minus omega plus omega square whole to the power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole to the power 6. Now 1 and omega square. I am adding 1 and omega square. Okay. So here write them together if you want. Okay. So clearly, so write these two in one place, and 1 plus omega value minus omega square, right? Minus omega square, and whatever we have, this minus omega square as it is, and whole to the power 6. So what formula we used here? What is the formula? Okay, so what is the formula? Cube roots of unity 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. This is only the formula we are going to use in this, as well as we can use the formula omega cube is equals to 1. These two are very, very important in this topic. Okay. So now here, 1 plus omega square. What is 1 plus omega square value? Minus omega. So minus omega whole power 6 plus minus 2 omega square whole power 6. So this is minus 2 omega whole power 6 plus. So here write the power separately, omega square whole power 6. So this is equal to minus 2 power 6 minus 2 whole power 6 and omega power 6 plus 2 power 6. How much the value? 2 power 6. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. It is plus 64. Omega power 2 6 12. Okay, omega power 3 is 1. All the three multiples also 1 only. Here it is 64 and omega power 6. We can write as, okay, omega power 3 whole square. Omega power 3 is 1, so we get 1. Okay, so here 64 into this is also 1. Okay, since, okay, how we are getting this? Since omega power 3, omega power 6, omega power 9, omega power 12. All these are equal to 1 itself. Now 64 plus 64 is equals to 128. Okay, take it as equation number 1. Now take the another part. Okay, whatever we have in the complete right side, take that part. Okay, so 1 minus omega plus omega square whole to the power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole to the power 7. Okay, this is equals to 1 plus omega square is minus omega. Write it as minus omega whole power minus omega, and one more minus omega we have, write it as it is, whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega value is, okay, minus omega square minus omega square minus omega square whole to the power 7. Minus omega is minus 2 omega whole to the power 7 plus minus 2 omega square whole to the power 7. Now this is equals to minus we have whole power 7. Power 7 means we get odd number. Power is odd number, so we get minus sign. We get negative sign. So it is negative and 2 power 7 and omega power 7 plus here also we get negative sign and 2 power 7 and omega square whole power 7. This is equals to minus 2 power 7 we can write common, remaining is omega power 7 plus omega power 2 7s are 14. Now write them in the omega power 3 in terms of 3. What is 2 power 7? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128. Okay, so minus 128 into omega power 7, omega power 3 whole square is 6, whole square is 6 into omega. Omega power 14, 3 4s are 12. Omega power 3 power 4, 3 4s are 12. 12 means more omega square we get. This is equal to minus 128 into minus 128 into, so here omega power 3 multiple, okay, that is equals to 1, and means 1 into omega, omega only. Next, omega square. Omega plus omega square. What is the value of omega plus omega square? Value is plus 1 if you take it to that side, minus 1. Okay, so we get this as minus 128 into minus 1. Okay, so that means it is plus 128. Okay, so take it as equation number 1 from equation 1 and 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2. So what we get? Therefore, okay, write that complete. 1 minus omega plus omega square power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6 is equals to 128, and second part also equal to 128. So both are equal to 128. So by combining this, we can write like this. Okay, so whole power 7 and 1 plus omega minus omega power 7. Okay, this is the required solution. Understood? Okay, so next, 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. Find. Okay, so a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square. In this problem, first I am writing as it is a plus b omega plus c omega square whole divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square whole divided by b plus c omega plus a omega square. I wish to cancel the omega terms in the denominator, so that we have to change what we can. So here better to use the formula omega cube is equals to 1. Mostly I am using this, as well as based on possibility we also use 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Understood? Now once observe this clearly, okay, carefully. So here we have c in the denominator without any omega and omega square. So here c omega square we have. Only check any one coefficient. Okay, c omega square. So omega square, if we take it common, then we get c in the numerator also as, okay, so denominator, like denominator. So how to convert that? Okay, so a I am writing as a into 1 plus b also. Okay, so b also, b into 1 omega and c omega square whole divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square plus, okay, in the check the numerator part also. So in this second term, a omega square, b coefficient, check the b coefficient. Okay, so is omega in the numerator. When we compare numerator and denominator, omega is extra. So here also we want, okay, omega as common. Omega is common, but c omega square we have a set. So a into 1 plus b into omega I am writing as this, and c omega square based on possibility will check. Okay, C omega plus A omega square. A omega square. So now replace 1 with omega cube. Replace 1 with omega cube. So A into omega cube plus B into omega cube into omega. C omega square whole divided by C plus A omega plus B omega square plus A into omega cube plus B omega plus C omega square whole divided by B plus C omega plus A omega square. Okay, so we have to take omega square common. Okay, so what you are checking? We are checking C term. Omega square we want common. Okay, in this second term we have B here. We want B only. So that we have to take omega common. Okay, so now take omega square common. If you take omega square common, then remaining A and omega, B omega square is common. So remaining omega power 4 total. Omega power 3, omega is omega power 4. So the remaining omega square inside and C omega square is common. So just we get only C whole divided by C plus A omega plus B omega square plus take the B omega common in this A omega square and B and C omega whole divided by B plus C omega plus A omega square. Now check it. Okay. A omega square plus B plus C omega is same. Here also C A omega B omega square equal. Okay, so we can cancel. Then remaining is omega square plus omega. What we get omega square plus omega is minus 1. Write it minus 1. So what is the final answer? Minus 1 is the final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll go to next question. Okay, so 1 omega square are unity. Okay, so then prove that 1 divided by 1 plus 2 omega, 1 divided by 2 plus omega is equals to 1 by 1 plus omega. So I am taking the LHS part. Here also we use the same 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Cube roots of unity means, and one more formula, omega cube is equals to 1. Omega cube is equals to 1 is the another one. Okay. Now take the LHS. LHS is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus 2 omega plus 1 divided by 2 plus omega. Take LCM. Maximum will try to remove the omega terms in the denominator. Okay. So 1 plus 2 omega and 2 plus omega. Okay. By taking LCM. So just we get 2 plus omega here plus 1 plus 2 omega here. Now this is equals to 2 plus 1 3 and 1 omega plus 2 omega, that is 3 omega whole divided by 1 2 multiply. Okay, 1 2 2 and 1 into omega 2 omega into 2 2 4 omega plus 2 omega into omega 2 omega square 2 omega square. So take 3 common, 1 plus omega whole divided by 2 and 4 omega plus omega is 5 omega. In this 5 omega, I am writing this as 2 omega separately. Sorry, here the remaining whatever we have out of 5 omega, we took 2 omega, remaining 3 omega is extra separately writing separately. Now this is equals to 3 into 1 plus omega divided by, take 2 common here, 1 plus omega square plus 3 omega. So what is the value here? This is equal to 3 into 1 plus omega as is divided by 2 into 1 plus omega square is 0 plus 3 omega. 3 into 1 plus omega divided by 3 omega. So here you can cancel the 3 and 3. 3 and 3. So in this, again 1 plus omega divided by omega. So if you want to remove the omega term in the denominator, what we can do? Rationalize. Multiplying and dividing by omega square. So denominator we get omega into omega square is omega cube. So 1 plus omega into omega square. 1 into omega square is omega square. Omega into omega square, omega cube, divided by omega into omega square is omega cube. So here omega square plus 1 divided by 1. 1 plus omega square. From here 1 and omega square becomes minus omega. So we get minus omega as the LHS answer. This is the answer for LHS. Now take the RHS part. Take the RHS part, that is 1 by 1 plus omega. 1 by 1 plus omega. So in this 1 by 1 plus omega, what we can do, once observe the formula, 1 plus omega we can write as 1 plus omega we can write as 1 divided by minus omega square. Minus omega square. Here also okay, so if you want to remove this omega square from the denominator, multiply and divide by the omega. Okay, so what we get? Minus omega divided by omega square into omega, that is omega cube. That is omega cube. So minus omega divided by 1. So what we get? Minus omega. So LHS answer, RHS answer, both are minus omega. Okay, therefore 1 plus 1 by 2 omega plus 1 by 2 plus omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus omega. Okay, since LHS and the RHS are equal. LHS and RHS equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just note down till here.